With over 1,400 bodies of water, there's a reason we're Florida's Lake County. Those magnificent jewels are why many of our residents put such a priority on this natural resource, the quality of life it provides, and the impact it has on everything from tourism to businesses to property values. We are the Lake County Water Authority. Over the last 2 decades, the Lake County Water Authority has worked to improve the quality of the fresh water throughout our county while also promoting healthy aquatic communities. The Water Authority's sole focus is the water resources of Lake County, sometimes partnering with other local and state agencies to share the cost of numerous projects. This allows us and partnering agencies to accomplish more thorough and unified efforts without duplication of services and efforts.
The Lake County Water Authority receives a portion of the property taxes collected from the people of Lake County, and with that we have a mission to try to conserve and protect and improve the water resources that we have here. And even though our population is booming, our water quality has actually improved in recent years.
Some of our most important responsibilities include conservation and protection of the freshwater resources of Lake County, fostering improvements of lakes, streams, and canals, and improving fish and aquatic wildlife in the county by bettering the aquatic ecosystem. Water quality improvements include stormwater retrofits and the Nutrient Reduction Facility, also known as NERF, which is the largest operation of its kind in the world. Excessive nutrients in Lake Apopka can potentially cause algae blooms in the Harris chain of lakes when water is discharged from Lake Apopka. The purpose of the NERF is to treat the water with aluminum sulfate, which causes the dissolved nutrients and sediment particles to clump together so they can be easily removed within the facility. This allows cleaner water to enter the chain of lakes. Ultimately, cleaner water produces healthier plant and fish communities.
Lake County Water Authority helps us out with our business with the Rusty Anchor in Mount Dora by the water quality. They're constantly working on cleaning it up. The better the water quality is and the more plants there are, the more habitat for the fish. And so that is also increasing. We have a lot more birds than what we've had before. They're starting to come back more and more. People come here to see the real Florida, and the more natural wildlife that we get, the more people want to come.
While many other agencies and municipalities are very visible to the community because of the large number of people they employ, our presence tends to be much more understated. But you might be familiar with, or have even benefited from, some of our many programs and accomplishments.
Hickory Point is a really lovely park with a very large pavilion. We also have a number of canoe and kayak rentals. We also have a number of hiking trails. We have boat ramps that are available for people to use. So we really have a lot of things that people can utilize for little or no cost.
We established an annual grant to Trout Lake Nature Center to help fund local environmental resource education. We established an annual stormwater program to partner with municipalities to complete stormwater projects which help keep our water clean. We mitigate navigational hazards like fallen trees and maintain boater safety signs within publicly accessible areas of the major chain of lakes. We partner with the Lake County Sheriff's Department and City of Claremont's Police Department to fund marine patrol units for increased boating safety. We manage Hickory Point Park, Flat Island Preserve, Crooked River Preserve, and Hidden Waters Preserve, along with several other preserves which all offer recreational opportunities for residents. We manage 7,500 acres of conservation lands, 79% of which are wetlands, which help to protect freshwater resources. And we have provided funding in the past for the construction and improvements of public boat ramps, just to name a few of our commitments to Lake County's economy and quality of life.
We have been looking for waterfront property to water ski. Found this property and bought it within 2 months of having first seen it. Because Lake County is the central point of the aquifer for most of Florida, the quality of the water here is important not just to Lake County residents, but to all of Florida. And I think the Lake County Water Authority has been very diligent in that and make the county a better place to live because we have more access to our beautiful waterways.
So whether you're a boater, angler, outdoor enthusiast, or just enjoy a magnificent sunset over one of our lakes, Together with your support and your efforts to help protect our lakes, preserves, and waterways, the Lake County Water Authority is dedicated to protecting Lake County's most valuable natural resource.